Hi guys, so today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. As you know, this is a Google integrated cell phone. It came out around in March 2021 in Pakistan. So this was a long awaited phone, and this came with two variants, one with 8 GB of RAM and one came with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So this one is 8 GB. So now we are going to unbox it. Pretty sleek packing. The macro lens. It has a screen refresh rate of 120 MHz. The size is 6.67 inches. AMOLED dot display. The main spec is it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8nm high performance processor 732G, and it comes with a 33-watt fast charging. See what else do we have in the box. Okay, so this must be the cover that comes with this phone. So the price of this phone was, at the time we bought it, was 56,000 rupees. These are the manuals. They told us that if you had come earlier, we would have gotten for 52,000 because the price were going up. And this is the standard packing that it comes with. It has a charger. This is the 33-watt fast charger that Xiaomi gave. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi branded fast charger. And the other thing we have is USB, standard USB Type-C cable with it. Okay, so now let's turn on the phone. So the color we have here is glacier blue. The standard refresh rate when the mobile is turned on for the first time is at 60 Hz, but you can change it in the settings. So it has face unlocking 1080 with 60 FPS, and it has a 4K with 30 FPS mode. This is a mid-range phone. If we compare it with the Realme 8 Pro and some other phones in this range, and if you also compare it with the Samsung A70 and A71, I think for the price this is a pretty good phone in that range. So this is my review of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. I believe it's a good phone. I've been using this for a week now, and it works pretty well, and it goes on for a day. If you charge it, it charges it in 1 hour. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the 4K resolution of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. I've opened YouTube and I've found some 4K playlist. They say it's 8K, yeah, it can go up to 8K, but in 4K you can see the proper resolution here. And I've switched the settings to 4K now. So the video that you're seeing here is of 4K with I think it's 60 FPS with 4K. So the colors are really vivid and they look very good. So yeah, and it's a surround system because the speakers are on the top and the bottom of the phone. So the back side is matte finishing and it has a dual tone, and it has a sunlight filter. When you go out in the sun, the screen becomes very bright and you can see clearly on your screen. The display is amazing. 120 Hz refresh rate, works very good, and in the heat this performs. But there's a small issue with the camera when it's too hot outside, so the camera doesn't go on for about 20 minutes, then it needs to cool down a bit. This looks very stylish and the fingerprint works really fast. It's amazing. And I have recently updated this Redmi Note 10 Pro to 14 MIUI. It is the latest update and it works really fast, really smooth, no problems in it. So one main thing about the camera is it has 108 megapixels, and the sensor, the light sensor of this particular model is amazing. It's better than the Infinix Note 10 Pro. It absorbs a lot of light and it gives you a vivid image of what's going on out there. So I would recommend. It works evenly amazing out in the sun, and in night times it also works better. Okay, so thanks for watching this review video. I hope you liked it. Share it with your friends. Please do a little contribution, sub to my channel. So thank you so much guys for watching this review video. I hope you like it. Thanks.